All right. Hey, how are you?
Hi.
All right, guys, we're back. It's Sunday, so you know what I do on Sundays. Ta-da!
Looks real good, doesn't it?
I know it does look good.
Yes, and it tastes good too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so have you watched Demon Slayer before?
Huh?
Demon Slayer.
Demon Slayer?
Yes.
Is that a movie?
Yes, it's an anime.
Oh, anime. Demon Slayer.
It's really interesting.
Yeah, I think I have actually.
Now they're literally posting all the seasons in like one movie. No, not really one movie, but separately.
Different movie, different. I think I've seen that show.
Yeah, they're posting like.
I think there's a couple seasons. You know, you can watch those on YouTube.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
sometimes they just have it mixed up, and sometimes they don't have the episode you're looking for and stuff. Because my YouTube is just stubborn. Whenever I search for something,
Yeah.
it gives me what I'm not looking for.
Yeah.
Like for instance, there's a really cool YouTube video that someone made.
Yeah.
I want to rewatch it, so I search up their channel name. And when I look, everywhere I look, I just don't see it.
You don't see it, yeah.
Yes.
I'm wondering why that is. Probably the location.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, that was Casey Ann with the wonderful story. There's a future doctor, a lawyer right there. So back to the food. So what kind of food is this again? What kind of meat is this?
I'm not really good with meats.
Oh, what is it? Stew beef. Okay. Good evening. She's right here. Yeah. So this is stew beef, guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna dive into. Oh, how are you?
Yes, Eugene.
Yeah, it's good to see you. There's the man of the house right here. They just coming in. So I'm gonna dive into this. All right. Have you had your dinner already?
Yes, I already have.
Oh, so you saw. We already know it's gonna taste good. Yeah, so I'm gonna tell you guys about it. I would video while I'm eating, but I don't know.
I trust you. It tastes really good.
It tastes really good, yeah. Yeah, I believe you.
I would never lie to you.
No, I know you wouldn't lie to me. I know that. All right, so I'm gonna try this, and maybe I should. Where can I mount this? I'm gonna video while I'm eating.
Or you could just like here.
Oh yeah.
Where there's
There you go.
actually
You
a
can
good place.
press it there. That's awesome.
Yes, it's actually a good place
That's
to
that's
just.
an awesome place.
Yeah.
That's a great idea.
Right.
All right, guys. So we're about to dive into this. What kind of drink is that? Super. Jimbalin? Star fruit. Is that the one that's kind of green?
Yes, they're right outside.
Oh, nice. I didn't know those grow here. So you're tired. This looks like. Beef is peppery. Yeah, you gotta watch out for pepper. Yeah, I like pepper though. I have a high tolerance for pepper.
Me too, I love pepper. I can't eat anything without pepper.
Yeah.
It's
I
like,
like my food seasoned, you know?
yes, and it's like the food is just not complete without some hot sauce.
Yeah, so true.
And it has to be like burning my mouth for it to actually taste good.
Oh, so you have a high tolerance. Okay.
Yes, like I would love it when it just burns my mouth because it just tastes nice to me.
Yeah, guys. Nice food.
All
How
right.
are you?
Good.
Good, good. Sorry?
Did you sleep?
If I did what?
Did you sleep?
I was until I had to deal with who this morning. And so I just shook up myself and just started to straighten up the place, Put back the bed and took off all the sheet them and just bring them out the window and just shake them off. Shake off all the sheet and stuff. I don't like how the under part is so loose, man. The bed cover. I'm gonna go to Price Smart or one of these days make you go and, because that's where I got the other cover for the other bed, and it fit perfectly tight and fitted, I don't think I'm going anywhere today though. Hmm? Yeah, and I know you're gonna be tired because you're always at work already.
Sorry, I have to pause.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
She's actually not on here, but I think she's on the back.
Yeah. Yesterday's party wasn't too strenuous,
I have to pause.
No. And it's funny because like you're a DJ, you see what's happening in the party. Go take the mic and go lively at the party. Yeah, you're just walking up and down,
Mom?
Big shots.
doing nothing. And then our friend wanted to,
Mom? She's gonna give you some orange.
I'm happy we didn't, we just took it easy.
Also, please hurry because I have to get some water. The freezer. Which I don't want it cold. You don't want it cold? I don't like cold water.
Huh? Yeah, so I figured out a way how to make them look original like how they posted. I researched it. So instead of just holding it and saving it, I stay on the site. Hey, here's the lady that made the food, guys. She's recording it.
Hi.
Alright guys, so when you come to Jamaica, you want nice, authentic food, I'm gonna give you her number and you reach out to her, she's gonna take care of you. Oh yeah, so for Android, you just select the picture to go on the site, then select the picture and Facebook. Then you're gonna see these three dots. You select it. No, you gotta download it. You can literally download it. So yeah, when you download it, apparently the original way they post it is exactly what you get. If you screenshot or you try to hold and save, the quality. Yeah, I don't know for iPhone still. I'm talking about Android. But I think you could download it too. But as long as the key to download it. Do you notice what I sent you today? How good quality. Oh, I never did that. I used to just screenshot them and then just feel the quality. Extreme. Who was the other guy? There was 3 picture companies there. Oh, Highest Photo. They haven't posted nothing though. I checked. And Extreme, it's called Extreme Image. So when you're looking for them, I found them. So I look at this flyer, I look at the bottom.
Highest Extreme post?
So no, Extreme didn't post and Highest didn't post.
Oh, they pay one.
Yeah. No man, I'm not to pay them because they did a lot of work.
But that in the bathroom.
But he didn't really pay for a lot of. He didn't pay for a lot of pictures. Because with The other one, the first one, there was only like a couple. I'm surprised ours is in there. Yeah, I'm surprised it's in there. Yeah, we did our thing yesterday. That's not my man. This guy's really, that girl really traumatized this guy, yeah. I mean, like,
We went to China.
huh?
We're gonna like go to China.
He doesn't like taking pictures? He does, but imagine you're in an event where there's a person that hurt you so bad. You're not gonna be in a happy mood.
But last time I
Literally, he just went to the back to just go hide. That's literally what it looks like. Just disappeared. I'm like, yo, you can't give that people that type of satisfaction, bro. That's too much power, you know what I mean? There's too much power you're giving one person over it. Then when we were leaving, we're sitting there, we saw her leaving, she was just walking out by herself to go get a taxi. I'm like, look at this girl. This girl's like, this is what you're running away from? You know what I mean? Like, you're like 8 foot tall, dude. But it should be a lesson to him, though. When strangers inbox you on Facebook, use your brain. Ask yourself why. Why do you want to come? You know, why do you want to come around me? Like, what is this person's motive? He got so excited and oh my God, fire her. He never did his due diligence. Turned out bad for him.
Get drinks
It
now,
turned out
Sam?
bad for both of them. Cause even the other guy who went to his party, he loved her off too. Cause he used to ask me to like hook him up.
You get drinks, Papa?
Yeah, for sure.
Yes, it.
Hi. What movie you do?
Yeah, good kiss, Andy.
Had a good time, I see. Beef is soft. Use a pressure cooker? Oh, that's what it comes?
Just cooking.
No, but it's really soft or something. I'm wondering if you use a pressure cooker. Oh, you didn't use a pressure cooker?
No, because that's why.
No, that's good. That for it to be so soft
The
without a
only
pressure.
thing me use the pressure to do, because from one done early because as me never did. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, eat that for African
Me
rice.
beat, me bake the
Puff.
That's
seasoning
fireball
today.
time and that's
with the baking powder.
Probably I lose a teeth. Baking powder?
Yes.
I didn't know you could put
And
baking
salt.
powder
yeah,
in
it's
food.
soft for me.
And then
Baking powder soften?
But it's soften things overall. I don't know soft.
I never knew that.
and
want
then
know
guess
that?
what me do? They put me
just taught me
seasoning
something
on
new.
there.
Yeah.
But when I put on the slow cook it, it get the seasoning. And when
Yeah.
the pressure cooker, the seasoning now absorbing at the meat.
Oh, you
So me
hear
make
that,
it
guys?
Slow cook it first, and
Mhm.
after me slow cook it, two more hurry up then now me just put it in the pressure cooker for about 1 minute with it come at the actually at the carrot and the Irish me pressure.
Yeah. Oh, I understand.
Yeah. So,
It tastes great. But yeah, Tiffy, I can tell you're tired. If you left, I told you, but it's just one of those things that you have to make it, you know? Yeah, to go stretch your legs because you want to wear your stuff. To me, those shoes look so sick. Even there's this one picture. I'm like, yo, they look really good on your feet, you know? They look very nice. Yeah.
I like it. This, I love this.
Yeah. It looks fire. It looks fire. Yeah. You and him match. You guys are both wearing black. Yeah, guys. The beef soft and nice. It's almost like it was in a pressure cooker, but you heard what she said. She didn't really pressure it. Mhm. Excited for school tomorrow?
Well, yes.
That's really good.
Yeah. The only reason why is because I did my homework.
Yeah.
If I don't do my homework,
Then you know.
I shouldn't.
What I tried to do, I made that mistake when I was younger. I used to always do my homework on Sunday. But you should try to do it on Friday.
Yeah,
So if you do it on Friday, you have the rest of the week for yourself.
yeah, or
You don't gotta rush to do it on Sunday, you know.
Yeah, or do it the day.
Or if you do it Friday, also, all the information is still fresh in your mind. You know what I mean? Yeah. And then once it's done Friday, you have Saturday to yourself. You have Sunday to yourself. You don't got to worry about homework.
Yeah. But me, Mish just told me, yeah, just do whatever you want today. Don't do anything.
She gave you a free day.
Yes.
She rewarded you because you worked so hard.
Yeah.
Just a lot of food, guys. I can't finish this. I'm not even gonna pretend. I'm gonna take this in a container, and tomorrow this will be my Sunday Monday. So I'll warm this up tomorrow. Can I put this in a container for me? Oh yeah, I'm gonna get out of here because I know you're tired. Normally you're up, up and about. Even your eyes and those look heavy. Can I put a little extra in there? Yeah. Yeah, guys. Like, share, subscribe. I'm trying to build this channel, so on this trip, I'm putting a lot of work in. And I'm learning as I go as well. I don't have anything professional. It's just me by myself learning as I go. Yeah, so yeah, and hopefully you guys like what I'm doing, and just let me know. I'm open to constructive criticism. If there's something I can do better, let me know. Or maybe there's something I'm not really realizing, let me know. Or if there's something you want me to go check out, let me know. I'm in Kingston. I was born and raised in Kingston, so most of my videos are gonna be in Kingston. I don't really know the North Coast. I don't know anybody on that side. But I mean, that don't really stop you from going there and getting some content, But all in due time, though. I'm just trying to do with what I have right now. Yeah, but as time progresses, by the grace of God, I'll be able to go more places, and I'll be able to show you guys what's happening in Canada as well. I live in Canada, so I'll be able to give you content in Canada soon, like once I leave here. So, but if you guys can see my channel, I've been putting in the work. Alright, so what would you say the name of this drink was? Huh? Jubilant? Star fruit, yeah. So I'm gonna try Jubilant, aka Star fruit juice for the first time. Tastes pretty good. Very refreshing. I can taste the ginger. There's a lot of ginger in there. Well, not a lot of ginger, but enough for me to taste it. Most of the good stuff kind of settled to the bottom. So it looks like before you drink this, you have to stir it up. Yeah. Oh, this is good. Alright guys, my Sunday, Monday. Ready. Take the party, mash you up, man. Jeez. I don't feel so bad like how I did on The first time you went out, which was out
And you make me
Thursday.
sleep right throughout. I sleep at work and I'm not sleep.
Yeah. Thursday, after we dropped off our friend there, and I was driving back, I literally could feel my body shutting down. That's what I'm telling you. And that's why I started to open the windows. Like my body is like, nah, you're tired. And then what I'll have to do is just turn off your phone if you have to. That's what I'll do. And just sleep, These DJs have it hard, man. Party all night, sleep. Is that normal? Get comfortable. Wrap them up. Let's wrap them up like this. With something around the side. If he wants to go to Boom Sundays, he up for it. I've never been there before. I'm gonna leave it to him though. I haven't said nothing to him today, but if he calls and says Ray, I'll go still. Yeah, they have to work in the morning. That's okay. It's not like it's a regular thing, right? It's just a short time period. Yeah, I forgot the lotion. When I was in the shower, I used the exfoliating. It just see how much of my skin came off. The lotion? Yeah, I'm gonna put some on. I forgot. Right here is not hurting me as much anymore. But it's very still sensitive. But it's not like paining me like I thought it was. Yeah. It's okay still. This is pretty good. Maybe next. Huh? I think so still. I think part of me is saying don't push it because it's not like you're getting paid to go to these places. Yeah, no, I agree because you have to get up every morning to go to work, right? So that's already strenuous on your body. And then nighttime you're not sleeping? Oh, man. Don't if your mind says skip it, just skip it. Get some rest and you can jump out again on Monday. Maybe up to on Mondays.
We're ready tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then I like when we go party. If you want to go in everything in the car, you can't manage it.
Remember, I think it was Wednesday night, I was like begging the guy, like, dude, it's almost 5 in the morning. We don't stay that late. Probably like 2, yeah. I'll 5 o'clock and go coming home sometimes. I'm like, and then you gotta drop him home. And the party's Upper Island. Then I gotta drive back down to his and then drive back up there. Yeah. I'll keep my eye open for like something nice and then I'll tell you. Yeah. No, it's the right thing. You gotta be responsible. Like you have a job, right? Alright guys. He enjoys your company. Maybe even more than me. he's even the one that requested you. Yeah. He didn't request you. Like he doesn't know it's you, but he was saying, you know, and make her bring a friend for me and da da da. Yeah. I'm happy him stopped painting his eyebrows. He used to paint, so it was black and then it goes up in the air. Yeah. That's how he used to come out. Yeah, so but he's always been like his dressing has always been eccentric. The pearls? That's what's
not pearl.
That's kind of what's weird still in America. A lot of the rappers and stuff have the man. Haven't you seen how man they wearing their chain in North America?
No, the
very
chain
tiny.
is different than not that.
They wear chokers so look at like Little Uzi Vert and those guys.
Him no mad. Him is don't mix it with a body. Him different.
I think if he was a celebrity, nobody would care all the crazy stuff he does. It's because we're seeing it from a regular person why it's a problem. Look at all the weird stuff Beanie Man put on. And nobody says like, why is this guy wearing a full baseball outfit? Yeah, pure crazy stuff he wears. One time I saw him with like literally a full baseball outfit with the protector, and only thing missing was the bat. Yeah, and I'm like, but because he's a celebrity, he can wear that. I like his uniqueness. He's unique, and he's unapologetic. And plus, he's a big DJ too, so it's like you should kind of look different. So you know what I mean. You don't want to look at everybody else. Which all the DJs look the same. Even look at the other guy, the little one that was there last night. His friend. You see how much jewelry.
You not talk. Oh, I'm just in a minute. Talk ankle.
Oh no, ma'am. When I was younger, I used to see man wear chaparita.
That's feminine.
Yeah. Back in the, I'd say back in the 90s, man used to wear chaparita. Yeah. No, look it up, Google it. Google 90s pictures. It was a regular thing to see man wearing chaparita. And then them have the big, what heap of bangles on their hand, man wear those, and then the big ring. I guess it's not the style anymore, but there was a time I remember seeing my own too. You know who used to wear that? Turkleback. Turkleback selling the arcade. His house is right in front of mine. So he had a lot of gold and a lot of like, cause he was doing very well for himself. And I remember he had like even big bangles this big on his wrist, like gold this big, the rings, the lollipop, rope chains, and he had that on his wrist. He's in England now though. I don't think he went to England and like never came back to Jamaica. Yeah, I just feel like you should be yourself. And sometimes Jamaica is a place, like, especially when you hang out in the ghetto, where you're not really allowed to be an individual. Like if you're not dressing like everybody else, then it's a problem, you know. And I think he's had that problem in his community. I think he's had that problem. Yeah. From my experience, he seems like a good guy, you know. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I just do that part, you know. I know him, but his style is very unique. Alright, guys, the food is good, guys. I liked it. So, like, share, subscribe. I'm here with Tiff. We're gonna wall our reason. Tiff went out and she couldn't manage the party because she has to go to work. No. And she had to go to work. He's spitting. Wipe off his mouth. He's vomiting all over your shoulder. There's vomit all over you. Go, get the vomit, go. He left you a gift, the gift of vomit. Yeah, so she partied too much. Alright guys, like, share, subscribe. Peace. Peace. Yeah, like, share, subscribe.